Alright, so here's our chick setup for this year. So this is the smaller brooder I made last year, which there's a video about that I can show you. It's actually an old cabinet that we repurposed. So we have this door so we can access it. We have a feeder here on the side and we just stick a water in there. So this is going to be for our laying hens. We have 10 hens or 10 chicks coming. And then this is a bigger brooder we made this year. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. It's a crate for like auto parts or something, but just cut a hole in the top, put it on hinges. We found an electric plate heater here in a barn, which we were really excited about. So this will be perfect for, we have 30 meat birds coming and that'll work out really good for them. And so we're just gonna fill this with wood chips and they're coming tomorrow. So we're ready.
Well, it's just cool that we've been dreaming about it as a family for many years, and here we are. We're doing it!
Oh, we got a blue egg!
Yeah!
Collected some eggs.
Nice and muddy.
Were they all in the way in the corner there, or what?
Yeah, they're way in the corner of the actual coop, not the run or the nesting boxes. They just laid them all in one spot.
Huh.
Rachel, you know that blue egg? We're getting more, that blue one, that's a whiting, and we're getting 5 more whitings tomorrow.
They're all poopy.
Yeah, we're just muddy.
So last year at our old house, this brooder was stationed inside of a shed, which was totally secure. There's no way rats or anything could get in. This year we're in a garage, which is not as secure at the new place. This wire is way too big. There's definitely a chance rats could get into the garage here and into the brooder. So I'm going to swap this out with some hardware cloth. Today is going to be a bit of a crazy day. We have a lot going on, kind of unexpectedly. So Tanya just got the notification that the chicks are here at the post office. So she just left in a flurry to go grab those. I'm taking care of the chickens right now. But in a few minutes, I'm about to hop on a call. We're doing a consultation with Jason from Sow the Land. Really excited to just pick his brain and get some ideas for this place. So got to quickly take care of the chickens so I can hop on that call. And we also have another surprise today. Something really exciting and unexpected popped up, and it might be a really amazing opportunity for our family. So more on that later, but we got a crazy day today. We like to give our chickens food scraps every day. We throw these out here in the morning. They absolutely love it. And by afternoon, we usually let them out free range, and this is usually gone by then. So they're ready. Look at them. Before they get back with the chicks, I also need to make sure the brooders are completely ready. They have water, food, shavings, make sure everything's set up, ready to go. So that way when she gets back, I will probably still be on the call with Jason, but she can get them in the brooders, get them situated. So let's do that. All right, so I did what I can before Tiny gets back. I got feeders, waters, the heat plates all set up. So did what I can before she gets back, but I gotta hurry because my alarm just went off to let me know that my phone call is like 2 minutes away. I'm coming, Jason.
We just got the call that our chicks are at the post office. So next time you see us, we'll have a box of peeping chicks in the back. Yeah, let's get them home, okay?
Go,
get them
Mom,
some water.
Stop taking pictures.
that's gonna go in an egg layer.
Dad didn't put it well. I can't like get the water. Oh, hi, cutie pie. Wait, is this a really red one? Mom.
Ones that are like orangish red are gonna be.
What about the black ones? And what about the black ones?
The black ones go in there.
They're
They're
adorable.
the whitings.
I'm not getting the black ones. Get whatever you want. I think the rest are white. I can't tell.
See if I can warm it up. Hi.
Big moment.
We got our chicks today. This is a big moment for our family. We have dreamt for years of having meat birds. We've helped other friends butcher. And so to have our own this year is kind of surreal. Like they're in our garage, they're here. They all arrived alive and healthy. So kids and I have prayed over them and we're hoping we don't lose any chicks, but that is normal if you do lose a couple. So we got 30 big red broilers from McMurray, and then we got 12 new egg layers. Well, 2 of them are roosters. They gave us 1 free chick, and on the thing it said it was a rooster. We got 5 whitings. They lay blue eggs. And then we got 5 buff Orpingtons. And we have had buff Orpingtons in the past, and they have always been such a good bird for us. They've laid eggs. Their personality as a chicken, which sounds kind of funny, is really sweet. They're super friendly, and they don't get into as much mischief as I've found other breeds do. Like Barred Rocks are not my favorite. So we got buff Orpingtons and whitings for egg layers. Big red for our broilers. Stay tuned.
All right, guys. So today's been a little crazy. While I was having a consultation with Jason from Southerland, just finished that up a little bit ago, Tanya came home with the chicks. So here we go. We've had a lot of excitement today. So between the chicks, between a phone consultation with Jason, and then the other surprise that I mentioned earlier, someone came by and we added a new member to our family. Great. Oh yeah. Good girl.
This is our new dog, Blue. She obeys commands really well, and she loves to play fetch. We just got her today. Somebody gave it to us because they wanted a good home for her.
Apparently, Blue here was raised with other chickens and stuff, but we want to see how she does with our chickens. So you want to open the door for me?
Yeah.
I'm going to keep her on a leash. Look at that. She's completely unfazed by the chickens.
She wants lovings.
Today has been a busy day. It's been lots of dreams fulfilled. We got some consultation on what we want to do here, which we're really excited to put into action. We had a dream fulfilled of getting a family dog and having meat birds. So today's a big day in our household.